Again, what did you say?
The bad dream makes you a nightmare.
No, a while ago. About Grandma Beth?
Has a bad dream?
Again, repeat it.
It has a
Who?
bad dream.
Who?
She had a bad dream
Who?
because
Who nga? Who's you talking about?
sleeping
What?
5 hours.
Who are you talking about?
You got a nightmare to you sleep 5 hours.
Who are you talking about? Is it the grandma what?
Grandma Beth,
Oh, about, and then?
she sleep 5 hours.
And then?
She got a nightmare.
Really? How did you know? Huh, how did you know that she got a nightmare? Grandma Beth is not with us now. She's in her house there, in the province.
Where is the province?
Province in the Cavite.
Where is the capital?
It's in the south.
Where is the south?
It's in the northern south, or it's in the
Where is
in the Philippines for sure, but in the northern south of the Philippines, because we are here in the north.
north, south, west, and east?
Yeah. So you are saying that Grandma Beth got a nightmare right now, huh, Jay?
It's not a bad dream.
Oh, say it out, Grandma. She's watching here. Come on, talk to her. Come here.
You watch bad dream.
Talk to her, to Grandma here now, right now.
If you watch bad movie.
You watch bad movies daw, Grandma Beth. That's why she had a bad dream. You sure Grandma Beth has a bad dream?
Yes.
Oh. Hmm? Known as a
Yes, bad dream.
bad dream. Hmm. How did you know that she got a bad dream? Because she slept only 5 hours. How did you know that she only slept 5 hours? Take your grandma. Ano pa man din to siya? Kasi, ilang beses ko nasubok. Yung mga sinasabi niya, nakakatotoo talaga. Magaling to siya mag-ano eh. Alam ko pa prediction ba yun? Kasi gano'n din ako nung bata ako eh. Kaya ko magsabi ko ano yung mangyayari. Hindi naman kaya kung ano mangyayari. Napipredict mo lang. Tapos magaling siya, nagbibigay siya sa akin ng mga tips. Pag may mga big problem ako. Tapos, bigla lang siya may sasabihin. Tapos, yun, susundin ko yung word niya. Naman. I-apply ko sa problem ko. Tapos nasusolve. Hindi ko alam kung sa lahi ba yan nakukuha o kasi ako parang lahat ng minamanifest. I don't know. It's like, yeah. Yeah, since elementary days na nakwento ko na ito kay Kiko eh, na I hate playing games with other children when I was 6. Jay, volume down first. When I was 6 years old, diba? Weird. Hanggang ano yun, 12, I don't like playing games with other children. I just want my kind of game na sila yung makikilaro with me. Ay, ako magdidikta ng lahat ng games. Ganun ako. Tapos hindi siya game, ha? It's like, we are in the classroom, we're studying, or we are selling something. Hindi talaga siya pang bata ever since I was young. Tapos yun, sinasabi ko rin sa sarili ko na at the age of ganito, magkakaganto ako, ganyan. Sinasabi ko yun. Ganun din, may mga dreams ako na nakikita, tapos sinusundan ko lang. Tapos nalilid ako doon. Okay naman. May mga problems ako na itutulog ko lang. Pag gising ko, alam ko na yung sagot. Nakikita ko din yung anak ko, ganun siya. Ganun din yung kapatid kong isa. Meron din ako kapatid na isa na napanaginipan niya si Arthur. Before pa mag-turn ng 3 yata si Arthur 4, napanaginipan niya, nagsasalita na daw. Kasi ang tagal nga magsalita niya to. Kasi walang kumakausap. Nagsasalita na daw, hindi daw marunong mag-Tagalog. Nagkatotoo nga, hindi siya talaga marunong mag-Tagalog. Pinipilit naman namin, kinakausap naman namin Tagalog. Ayaw talaga, hindi talaga natututo. So yun, napansin ko lang na Paglahi mo. No? Baka lahi nga. Kaya medyo naniniwala ako sa kanya kung may sinasabi yan siyang kakaiba. Oh, grandma, sundin mo yung tip ni Lolo Art.